Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Fantasy. In this video, we will discuss about some possible question on quantum mechanics for JEST 2021. Okay, let's start. Our first question is, consider a spin half particle in homogeneous magnetic field of magnitude b along z-axis, which is prepared initially in a state psi is this at t equal to 0. At what time t will be the particle in the state माइनस psi. ओके, यहाँ पे एक स्टेट psi दिया हुआ है और हमें पता करना है कि आफ्टर which टाइम t the state will be in minus psi. So as you know, if you find a state at t equal to 0, that is psi of x, then after time t it will be in psi of xt, which is equal to psi of x and exponential of minus I by h cut e t. Okay, this is the time evolution of psi of x. Okay, if you find a state vector at t equal to 0 is psi of x, then after time t it will be psi of x exponential e to the power minus I by h cut e t. Okay, where E is the energy. So let's find out the energy. Here magnetic field is given, and so energy will be E equal to mu dot B, where B is along z cap direction. Okay, and we have psi. If we write psi is 1 by root 2 of if we try to write this up and down arrow in matrix form, what will be written? It will be written like this. Okay, 1 0, and down arrow will be written as 0 1. Okay, then their sum, that is psi, will be written as 1 by root 2 of 1 and 1. Okay, this is our psi. Okay, now we have our psi, that psi equal to 1 by root 2 of 1 1. Okay, at t equal to 0 and E equal to mu b. Okay, if we at t at time t, then it will be psi of xt. Okay, which will be psi of x exponential minus I by h cut e t. Okay, that implies, as we know, after time t it will be minus psi of x, which will be minus 1 by root 2 of 1 1, which is equal to 1 by root 2 1 1 exponential minus I by h cut, where E is the mu b, so mu b into t. Okay, I will write in a line so that you can understand it. Minus 1 by root 2 1 1. Okay, this is the equation. Okay, if we solve it, what we get? E to the power minus I by h cut mu bt, which will be equal to minus 1. As you know, exponential e to the power I theta, we can write it as cos theta plus I sin theta. If it is e to the power minus I theta, then we can write it cos theta minus I sin theta. So it can be like that: cos theta cos I by h cut mu bt minus I sin mu bt by h cut equal to minus 1. But only we have to compare it real part, as in the right side it has only real term. Okay, after comparing we can write cos mu bt by h cut will be equal to cos pi. As we know, cos pi is equal to minus 1, so we write here cos pi. Okay, after comparing this, mu bt by h cut will be equal to 5, and our time will be t equal to pi h cut. Okay, pi h cut by mu b. Okay, that is the final answer. We have t equal to mu h cut pi h cut by mu b. Okay, let's have another question. The ground state energy of 5 identical spin half particles which are subjected to a one-dimensional simple harmonic potential oscillator potential of frequency omega. Here is given spin half particles and harmonic oscillator potential of one-dimensional. If it is one-dimensional, then its energy is equal to n plus half h cut omega. Okay, and we have given 5 identical spin half particles. As you know, we have to first find the degeneracy. For degeneracy, we know that it is 2s plus 1. As it is given as electrons are spin half particles, it is given spin half particles, so we have degeneracy equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1, where 1 by 2 is the spin. Okay, which will be come out to be 2. Okay, so degeneracy will be 2. degeneracy इक्वल टू 2 ये समझा था कि हर स्टेट में सिर्फ 2 ही इलेक्ट्रॉन रह सकते हैं. एवरी स्टेट हैज ओनली 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. एवरी एनर्जी लेवल हैज ओनली 2 electrons. So we can write the ground state energy as 2 into half h cut omega plus 2 into 3 by 2 h cut omega plus 1 into 5 by 2 h cut omega. Okay, this is the energy of a first level, this is the energy of second level, this is the energy of third level. In first level there should be 2 electron, second level there should be 2 electron, and third level we have left out of 1 electron. So total energy will be, these two will be cancelled out, then total energy will be 13/2 h cot omega. Okay, then total energy will be 13/2 h cot omega. Let's do another problem. The spatial part of two electron state is symmetric under exchange if these two, up arrow and down arrow, represent the spin up and spin down state respectively of each particle. The electron spin part of the two particle state. Okay, here is given the spatial part of electron state is symmetric. Okay, this is the concept of this question. Okay, we have to remember it. First पहले इसके अंदर जो कॉन्सेप्ट है इसे सॉल्व करने की जो कॉन्सेप्ट चाहिए उससे पहले समझते हैं. ओके, एज यू नो इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या है, एक फॉर्मियन है. इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या है, एक फॉर्मियन है. और हर पार्टिकल को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए एक वेव फंक्शन होता है जो कि साई होता है. ओके, ये क्या होता है, ये जो वेव फंक्शन है ये इसको टोटल वेव फंक्शन कहा जाता है. टोटल वेव फंक्शन किस किस का पार्ट होता है, एक तो स्पैटियल पार्ट, एक होता है स्पैटियल जो कि स्पेस पार्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, और दूसरा है स्पिन पार्ट. ओके, जो टोटल वेव फंक्शन है वो दोनों का मिश्रण है, एक स्पैटियल और दूसरा है spin part. Okay, total wave function is composed of two parts, one is spatial and another one is spin part. इस क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है कि ये जो स्पैटियल पार्ट है वो क्या है, सिमेट्रिक है. ओके, पर ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है ये एक फॉर्मियन है और हर फॉर्मियन का टोटल वेव फंक्शन जो है वो एंटी सिमेट्रिक होता है. क्या होता है ना, एंटी सिमेट्रिक. सो स्पिन पार्ट विल बी antisymmetric. Okay, to make the total wave function antisymmetric. Okay, in this option one antisymmetric option is given, that is C. All are symmetric. This one is symmetric, this one and this one, all are symmetric except C. So C is the right answer. Now another question based on this. Okay, two electrons are confined in one-dimensional box of length L. The one electron state is given by this, and what should be the ground state wave function if both electrons are arranged have same spin state. ये भी प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन की तरह सॉल्व किए जाएंगे. ये कहा गया है कि स्पिन स्टेट, सेम स्पिन स्टेट, सो स्पिन wave function is symmetric. So spatial part will be antisymmetric. We have to find out from the option which of one of these antisymmetric. Here look, here is in minus n is present, so this one will be antisymmetric and all are will be symmetric. So B will be answer. Okay, thank you. If we are finding my video helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe.